everybody. You recently subscribed to my mortgage educational series, and I'm excited to talk to you about the do's and the don'ts for financing homes. So one of the key things I want you to do, and that's important to know, is I do want you to use your credit cards. But the key to that is not using more than 30% of the highest limit on your credit card. So if your highest limit is $1,000, don't spend more than $300 on that credit card in any given month. That's important to know because that will boost your credit scores. It will also allow you to purchase more. So key, we want you to use it, but not more than 30%. One other thing we want you to do is make sure that when you're saving money, that you are saving money not only for your down payment, but also for your closing costs and reserves. All loans are different and there are different factors for each loan, but the key to knowing is that you will need more than just your down payment when it comes to financing the property. So that's a key. Remember, you're going to have your down payment, your closing costs, and reserve requirements. Another thing to do is be honest with us. Let us know what other liabilities might be out there that we might not know about, like tax payments that are made on a monthly basis, things of that nature. Good to know upfront so that we make the best choice for you when it comes to your financing. Well, some of the key things that we don't want you to do is don't switch jobs that are going to take you from a salaried position to a commission-based position. Those options are negative effect for you for actual financing. We don't want you to go to a loan that where you're self-employed in the middle of the transaction, changing from a W-2 to employee. So that's a do not do. The other thing we don't want you to do is go out and buy a bunch of furnishings for your new house or window coverings or buy a car. Those things are key factors in not only affecting your FICO score, but affecting what you're able to finance in terms of the amount because you've financed something that we were unaware of or something that was new to the transaction. So don't go buy anything big. Don't buy furniture. Don't buy appliances. Don't buy window coverings. Don't buy a car. Those are the things we want you to discuss with us before you ever consider doing those during the transaction. Another thing I don't want you to do is I don't want you to be a co-signer for anyone else. Even though that's a wonderful thing to do, it's not good for you. Basically, when you co-sign, that liability becomes yours and is included in your transaction as part of your debt. So that's the key. Don't do that. So these are some of the key do's and don'ts that we have for you today. There might be some more specific things that we would need to discuss with you, but if you have questions, let us know. We're here to help, and we love you joining in to our mortgage educational series. Thanks again. Looking forward to further do's and don'ts, further information about your mortgage opportunity.